Hey, Booster Rider here. I'm just going to show a completely cold start on my 2000 CBR 600F4. It's got about 12,000 miles on it. Just did the cam chain tensioner. It was screwed up, plugs, a whole lot of stuff. I pretty much rebuilt the entire bike because it had been laid down a bunch of times and it was totally screwed up. But anyways, I'm almost pretty much done with it. So I'm just going to do a cold start, and it's been sitting for a couple days. And they are carbureted, so that's why I'm showing the cold start. I mean, if it was fuel injected, I wouldn't be doing this. Alright, so choke on. That's about it. And it's really cold out. It's probably about 30 something degrees, probably about 50 degrees in the garage, so not so cold where it was sitting, but that's about it. It doesn't take real long, even when it's really cold. In the summertime, you really don't have to choke it really much at all. But it had been sitting for a couple days, so. Alright guys, that's it. Later.